Good morning, everybody. This is Mark with G's Bees, and I am actually up here in Pennsylvania. It's January the 30th, 2021, and it is 22 degrees. I'm up here at Forest Hill Beekeeping Supply. I have just got a big order of woodenware that's going to be for my nuke production and my queen rearing project. So cool place. Ike actually makes everything right here in house. He's got custom equipment. It's really cool. The prices are very reasonable. The quality is unbelievable. So next couple videos you'll see me putting stuff together. Like I said, it's January 20th, so I'm getting everything ready for March 1st or sooner. So that's the update for me.